Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 for Cricket Wireless. So as of right now, the iPhone 14 is currently sold out at Cricket Wireless. So hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully it will be available for you guys to purchase. So you guys can see that all 5 colors are not in stock right now. The 128GB version is not in stock right now. So you guys have 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. So the 128 gigs is $829.99. The 256 gigabyte version is it's $929.99. Alright. In there, in the 256 gigabyte version is in stock. Yeah, y'all guys can see all 5 colors are available with the 256 gigabyte version. Then the 512 gigabyte version is yep, the 512. So basically it's out of stock completely. I thought it was in stock, but it turns out it's out of stock. Does not matter what storage option that you guys get. So the 512GB iPhone 14 is $1129.99. So yeah, there's the iPhone 14. It looks like the iPhone 13 from last year. You guys know what the design looks like and all that. So you guys got your nods for your front-facing camera, earpiece, and stuff like that. There's your power button there. There's the back of the iPhone 14. You guys got your dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo, and then there's a look at the back there. Your cameras, camera flash, Apple logo, your volume keys is on the left side, along with your alert switch. So yeah, so the iPhone 14 has a 6.1-inch display, 12-megapixel main camera, 512GB of storage, or 256 or 128GB of storage. So I just got that on the 512GB option here. None of the storage options are in stock. I thought they were in stock. I thought the 256GB version was in stock, but it's not. So the iPhone 14 features a durable and sleek aerospace grade aluminum design. iPhone 14 has an upgraded internal design for better thermal performance, gorgeous Super Retina XDR display, and also features the durable ceramic shield front cover exclusive to iPhone and tougher than any other smartphone glass, and is protected from common spills and accidents with the water and dust resistance. eSIM makes things simple. You can activate your new iPhone digitally. Alright. Features. Display. Super Retina XDR display. 6.1 inches all screen OLED display to 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution at 460 ppi. Crazy resolutions that the iPhone's been having ever since forever, you know what I mean? Video. iPhone 14 features action mode for smooth handheld videos, and cinematic mode automatically shifts focus to the most important subject in a scene. And now you can record in 4K at 24 frames per second. the same frame rate you see in the movies. So that's pretty cool. Camera, dual camera system, 12 megapixel main, f1.5 aperture, sensor shift optical image stabilization, 7-element lens, 100% focus pixels, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, f2.4 aperture, 120 degrees field of view, 5-element lens, 2 times optical zoom out, digital zoom up to 5 times. So yeah, I don't know, they got the specs, do they? If you guys want to get the specs on the iPhone 14, I will have them linked below. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 is now here. Quicker wireless is currently not in stock as of this video recording. All 3 storage options are not in stock right now. I thought the 256 GB version might be in stock, but it's not. So yeah, hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, the iPhone 14 will be available for you guys to purchase. So there you guys have it, iPhone 14. Now we're by Quicker Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.